Hi, and welcome to my new channel, Lorving. Today I'm gonna show you how I put on my strip lashes. Today I'm gonna show you how I put my strip lashes on. I don't usually wear them, but I really like them, and I have so long without putting them on that I want to try this time. This is what I'm gonna be using: strip eyelashes, adhesive, and tweezers. Curl your eyelashes and put a little bit of mascara on. First, try them on and resize them for your eyes. Put them on. They should be the same length of your eyelid. They should not bother you at all. Trim the extra. Now that it's ready, grab your glue and put a small uniform amount along the base. Let it dry a little bit so it gets more sticky than liquid. Put it on and fix it with the tweezers. It goes on your eyelashes, not where you put your eyeliner. And press them together with your eyelashes. This way they will look more natural. Take a little drop of your glue and secure the inside tip. Done. Now repeat on the other eye. Don't forget to like and subscribe.